Run it back turbo. You can get the biggest mess from the apothecary one. I gave you the cure to the plague if you want it. I bought a new house, was infected, I don't want it. Taking these meds, I'm gonna feel better in the morning. Spreading by rats and fleas, you might wanna watch it. Years 1343 to 53, 60% of the population gone. That's 200 million people. Wondering if it's a punishment from God. But both the poor and the rich, no one is safe. The beginning of the plague started up in China, made its way through the long Silk Road. That's how it made all the way to Europe. Covered all over in buboes, yeah. That's how you know you got yourself infected. Cough too hard, don't stand too close. Might mess around and catch this plague. Helping all these towns, I've been on the road. Don't care where I go, long as I can save. Bad little plague, it been on my mind. Soon as I get healthy, these rats get slayed. Do this all the time, it ain't no surprise. Every other night, people out here getting this plague.